I've been using the LifeBasis Rechargeable Power Scrubber, and it's honestly made cleaning a lot faster and easier for me. This scrubber uses high-frequency vibration, up to about 5,800 movements per minute, and you can really feel the difference. It cuts through grime way faster than manual scrubbing, especially in grout lines, corners, and hard-to-reach areas. Jobs that used to take serious elbow grease now take a fraction of the time. I also really like that it's rechargeable. There's no messing with disposable batteries, and the built-in LED indicator makes it easy to know when it needs charging. Green means you're good, yellow means getting low, and red lets you know it's time to plug it in. The kit comes with a lot of useful attachments. There are multiple brush heads and pads, so I can switch between tougher cleaning and more delicate surfaces without worrying about scratching anything. It's very straightforward to use. Just press the button and it's ready to go. The scrubber is lightweight and comfortable to hold even during longer cleaning sessions. The rubberized non-slip handle gives good grip, and the IP7 water-resistant design means I can safely use it in wet areas like showers and tubs without stress. I've used this all over the house: bathroom tiles, grout, sinks, and tubs, and even in the kitchen on countertops and appliances. It's also handy for outdoor cleaning like patio items, grill parts, and even car wheels and trim. This set includes the power handle, multiple brushes and pads, charging cable, and everything you need to get started right away. If you want a time-saving cleaning tool that actually makes tough jobs easier, the LifeBasis Power Scrubber has been a really solid addition to my cleaning routine.